Hi, this is architect Gopal Sutar. I'm a principal architect of Gopal Sutar Architects. Coming to the site, this site is located in Baramati area, which is densely populated, and our client is a orthopedic surgeon who is practicing in a newly constructed hospital building, which is located exactly opposite to this building. And since many of his generation lived together here for many years, and due to the limitation of some of the bylaws, we could not demolish it. So instead of demolishing it, we suggested our client to restore this building and renovate this building as is a separate personal bungalow. So coming to the site, this was a triangular piece of land which is fronting an existing road which is 15-meter wide, and the south side is surrounded by one of the hospital building, and northeast is surrounded by one of the residential building. Also, it was required to make the residence as per Vastu compliance. So what we did, we cut the plot to the rectangular shape, and the remaining south northeast area, which was reserved for the water body, small landscaping and entrance gate. Simultaneously, the southwest portion was planned for highly vegetation, plantation, and storeroom and massage.
To the plan, and there is a waiting, general, toilet, balcony, toilet and general ward and a passage and a staircase block. So the basic requirement of the client was to have a living room, kitchen and puja room at the ground floor. So we had a entry, we restored the entry from the north side, which is good as far as the vastu also, and this waiting and generally is converted into the living room. The toilet and balcony is converted into a outdoor space. We had an opening here, and the general ward is in southeast corner, so we converted this into the kitchen, and northeast we converted into puja. Southern side there is a hospital, so to maintain the privacy we had closed the windows from the southern part, and we introduced a double height courtyard which was necessary for light and ventilation. So coming to the first floor, introduce a double height courtyard in front of the staircase for the light and ventilation by demolishing this toilet here and keeping the grate into the safe zone. Then we introduce a master bedroom in this waiting and general space with in a southwest direction, and also we introduce a large opening to the northern side to get a maximum light and ventilation from the northern side. And also we introduce a window towards the western side, so we get a landscape view to the master bedroom. Then other requirement was of parents room and guest room, so we introduced these two general wards into the rooms, and we restored this toilet for the common between these two rooms.
So now coming to the elevational part, as we can see in the existing elevation, there was a large heavy massing on the northern side, which was unnecessary. And so what we cut out the heavy masses, unwanted things, and we introduced large opening on both the floors, which gives natural light and ventilation, which also overlooks the garden. And as we can see, the centrally placed staircase block, which is the main enhancing part of the building elevation. So we treated it with a red brick textured paint, and it balances both the parts, which connect both the parts, and it balances the building. Both the either parts were introduced with micro concrete texture paint, and here we have tried to keep the balance composition of the structure and keep as possible as minimalism.